So you finished writing your research paper. Where do you publish it? That's one of the biggest questions researchers face. And in today's talk, I will guide you through choosing the right scientific journal for your work. And choosing the wrong journal can lead to rejection, delays, or worse, wasted time. But if you choose well, your paper reaches the right audience and gets cited and boosts your visibility. So I will tell you about six key criteria to choose journal. Start with scope. Uh, does the journal publish on topics like yours? Always check the aims and scope section on their website and look at recently published papers to see if your work fits. Then check the journal's rank. Q1 and Q2 journals are usually the highest quality. You can use, for example, Simago or Web of Science to compare impact factors and quartiles. And if your research is for other scientists, industry professionals, or policymakers, make sure you choose a journal that reaches the right readers. Then you might ask yourself, do you want your people to be freely accessible? Open access helps you reach more people, but may involve publication fees. Subscription journals might be free for you, but behind a paywall for readers. For the time, there are some journals take months to reply, others are faster. If you're in high, like for PhD defense, check the average review time and acceptance rate. Then make sure that the journal is indexed in Scopus, Web of Science, that way your work is searchable and citable. And then, if you're still not sure, try this tool. Just paste your abstract and you will suggest matching journals. Uh, for example, I have the Elsevier journal finders, Springer, Simago, if you want to compare rankings, of course. And here are some quick tips for you before you go. And uh, of course, here we just like you need to read author guidelines carefully, and of course don't submit blindly. Check past issues, and if you still struggle, just ask your colleagues or your advisor for advice. And of course, avoid journals that ask for payment before peer review or guarantee acceptance. For example, these are red flags. So that's it for this talk. Let me know in the comments where you're planning to publish, and if you're stuck, I will help you decide. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.